Hello, welcome to psychology. Psychology is a science. Psychology is the science of the mind and behavior. The science part means that scientific methods are used to find objective evidence to support its claims. The mind means any mental process. This could be perceptions, feelings, or even memories. The behavior part means anything that we do. Psychologists have been known to study plants and other certain areas of psychology, but their main goals are often to understand us as humans. Psychologists work in every little slice of life. For example, a psychologist may have had a hand in helping design that chair that you are sitting in. Some psychologists work with the military to assist troops adjust to stress, while others work with NASA to help astronauts maintain mental fitness while they're on their long journeys and in cramped spaces. Universities and colleges employ psychologists to teach psychology at their schools. There are also a lot of psychologists who work for themselves and have private mental health practices. There are many different divisions of psychologists. Some of the more popular ones are clinical psychologists, who assess, diagnose, and treat mental and behavior disorders. A large part of their work involves conducting psychological tests and performing psychotherapy. Developmental psychologists study how people grow and change. There are also school psychologists and educational psychologists who work in schools to help children with emotional, academic, social, and psychological problems. So, who, what, and when did psychology emerge as a science? Well, first of all, psychology is known as the oldest, youngest science. It dates back early to the Greeks. During the 17th century, though, a philosopher named René Descartes introduced the idea that the mind and body were two separate entities that interact to form human experience. Early philosophy research on the brain and human behavior had a dramatic impact on psychology. And in 1878, a man named G. Stanley Hall became the first American to earn a PhD in psychology. G. Stanley Hall also founded the American Psychological Association. But it wasn't until 1879 that a psychologist named William Wundt opened the first psychology lab. Wilhelm's accomplishments opening the first psychology lab is a major event in psychology. This event is considered the official start of psychology as a separate science.